Okay, this is a picture, but look what I'm holding. Look, look, look. My husband baked something, and I caught him. You'll never guess what his secret ingredient is. This is Fraise Tagada. It's a Haribo candy that's very popular in France. Normally, this is a soft candy, but as luck would have it, we found a forgotten package in the recesses of our pantry. And rather than let it go to waste, my husband decided to look for a recipe to cook with it. He found a cake Fraise Tagada, or Fraise Tagada bread. I'm giving you an up-close look at the package so you can see that it says they're naturally colored, but these are strawberry flavored. No way this is natural strawberry. No way. Remember I said this is old candy, so the first thing we did was cut it up into little pieces because I was convinced this was not going to get soft enough to eat without breaking a tooth. Then my husband started to mix together the wet ingredients. This is egg and yogurt. Don't worry, I'll give you the amounts at the end.
Non, c'est parfait. Tu vas voir, ça va être très bon.
I'm giggling because he absolutely did not want me to record him making this cake. And the next ingredient is sugar. Lots of sugar.
Tu vas voir, ça va être le meilleur. Le meilleur gâteau au fromage que t'aies jamais mangé.
Gâteau au fromage.
Non, pas au fromage, au yaourt.
I'm an awesome sous chef.
J'attends.
Tu vas attendre Rémi aussi là. Rémi is a patient doggy. He's watching in case you drop something. Next, whisk in flour and baking powder.
Et après, il faudra 10 centilitres d'huile de tournesol.
Then mix in the oil and the candy. And then you're going to put it into a greased loaf pan. I'm going to suggest that you add parchment paper into your pan because this is melted candy, guys, and melted sugar does not like to come out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. The original recipe, which I'll link below, is not very concise on pan size or oven temperature. We baked ours at 350, 180°C until it was done. You can test it like you do other cake by poking it with a toothpick or a cake skewer. And here we go, voila. It's hot and that's molten sugar, so we're gonna wait till it cools before we taste it. So as you can see, he did not wait for us to test this out. But here you can see the inside. Let's cut a piece. This is like the worst knife in the cabinet, okay. So you can see the candy actually melted. I'm surprised because like I said, it was older. This is dense and I'm thinking that our baking soda needs to be replaced because this is quite dense. It didn't rise as much as something normally does that I put in the pan, so. Super sweet. Let's try a part where the candy's actually melted here. Yeah, it tastes like the candy. Kind of like fake strawberry flavor. If I had done this, but it wasn't me, I would have added something else to the cake to give it a little more flavor. Maybe some lemon or vanilla. But it's still good. I just feel like the vanilla sugar that French people are used to just isn't, it's a little too subtle for me. I like a more in-your-face vanilla flavor, but wow, a lot of sugar. So don't make this unless you like really sweet things, or maybe add something in it instead of the Fraise Tagada. Alright, thank you for watching. Check out this next video. We'll make a different dessert and have a nice day. Au revoir and bon appétit.